What's going on, my J-Hen crew? This is your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Life. Today I'm doing something a little different. Well, I've done it on my channel before. I've done unboxings. Y'all know if you've been with me for a while. So I'm going to do an unboxing here today. I got a place I got to be at today, and I got a little nervous because I was going to the show and I was looking for these shoes. I went down to Gurney Mills in Illinois. It's right the halfway point between Milwaukee and Chicago. I needed a outfit, needed some shoes and stuff. And the shoes I wanted, they was the ones in the little encasing when you walk in the shoe store. And none of the shoe stores in Gurney had them. So I ordered them. And when I came home a few days later, checked the tracking, it said that they weren't going to be here for like almost 2 weeks when the folks in the store told me that they would be here in like 3 to 5 days. Luckily, they came, and I want to show you guys these new kicks that I just got. There's some Air Max. So just keep watching this video. You'll get to see these nice kicks that I got and what I'm going to wear with the kicks while I'm going to this show tonight. And also, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about these kicks that I got right now. All right.